Hello and welcome to InsideWi-Fi, video 44. What is an SSID? Routers or access points broadcast their SSID, allowing nearby devices to discover and connect to the network. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, first identify it by its name called the SSID, Service Set Identifier. What is an SSID? SSID is simply the name of a Wi-Fi network. It is the name you see when your phone, laptop, or other devices scans for available Wi-Fi networks. Simple analogy. Think of an SSID like a network's nameplate. Just like you choose a shop by its name, your device chooses a Wi-Fi network by its SSID. Tell me in the comments, have you set up your own SSID or still using the service provider configured? What is the use of an SSID? The SSID helps devices to identify a specific wireless network. Select the correct network to connect to. Key characteristics of SSID. SSID can be up to 32 characters long. SSID is case sensitive. Multiple access points can use the same SSID called eSSID, common in offices, campuses and large homes, which enables seamless roaming between coverage areas. What is a hidden SSID? A hidden SSID is a Wi-Fi network whose name or SSID is not broadcast publicly by the access point. In simple terms, the network exists and is active, but it does not appear in the list of available Wi-Fi networks on your phone or laptop. How a hidden SSID works. Normally, an access point broadcasts its SSID. Stations or devices can easily discover and connect. With a hidden SSID, the SSID broadcast is disabled. Stations or devices must manually enter the network name to connect. How to connect to a hidden SSID? For connecting to a hidden SSID, you need to manually provide SSID, security type and password. Why to use a hidden SSID? Hidden SSID adds a basic level of obscurity. Reduces visibility to casual users. Sometimes used in enterprise environments and IoT or private networks. Common misconception. Hidden SSID is not real security. The SSID is still present in wireless frames which tools can easily detect. Devices connecting to it may expose the SSID anyway. Tell me in the comments how many of you use a hidden SSID on your network, and what real benefits you've experienced. In our next video, let's see what is BSSID. Thank you for watching.